Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
For morning assembly in your schools, check out the top 10 stories for 3rd July 2023. NCP leader Ajit Pawar becomes the Deputy Chief Minister in Maharashtra's government, causing controversy. NCP President Sharad Pawar downplays the rebellion. France continues to experience rioting, with protesters targeting the home of a Paris suburb mayor. The Indian boxing contingent for the Asian Games is announced. Unidentified gunmen kill village volunteers in Manipur amid ongoing ethnic violence. Ajit Pawar joins Maharashtra government. NCP senior leader Ajit Pawar has become the Deputy Chief Minister in the Eknath Shinde-led Maharashtra government. This marks his third stint as a Deputy CM in just 4 years. Maharashtra BJP President Chandrasekhar Bawankule claims that 40 MLAs of NCP out of the total 53 have supported the state government. NCP President Sharad Pawar downplays rebellion in response to Ajit Pawar's rebellion. NCP President Sharad Pawar stated that it is not a new phenomenon and he is not concerned. He vows to take action against those who took oath as ministers in the Shinde government on Sunday. Protests and rioting continue in France. On the fifth day of rioting in France, protesters ramraded and torched the home of a Paris suburb mayor, injuring his wife and child. The ongoing unrest has led to 719 arrests following the death of 17-year-old Nahel Marzouk, who was shot by a police officer in Nanterre. Indian boxing contingent for Asian Games announced. The Boxing Federation of India reveals the 13-member Indian boxing squad for the 19th Asian Games in Hangzhou, China. Shiva Thapa, Lovlina Borgohain, and Nikhat Zareen are among the key players leading the contingent. Unidentified gunmen kill village volunteers in Manipur. In Manipur's Bishnupur district, at least 2 village volunteers were killed in an exchange of fire with unidentified gunmen. The state has been witnessing ethnic violence between Meitei and Kuki communities, resulting in over 100 deaths so far. Teesta Setalwad, Supreme Court says it was harsh to say she should be in the dock. Guru Purnima. Hindus celebrate the festival of Guru Purnima Joise Cutoff 2023, opening and closing ranks for round 1 released. NASA's Mars helicopter phones home after silence of over 2 months. ESA's Euclid Space Telescope. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.